welcome back to my channel. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'll be showing you guys how I will be installing and styling this number 4 deep wave frontal that I got from Hairspells. It's a 20-inch hair. So I already have my ball cap on because it really took me some time to do this and I never want to see me struggling at the video. And if you watch my previous video when I try to install a wig by myself, you know say I'm not a professional, like me just a try a thing. So you bear with me if me not do the right thing them. But like I'm getting there. So I'm tinting my ball cap.
Yeah. Long black 17. White tees, cut off jeans, black jeans, fresh, just a spring. Say me clean like me go for rain. White tees, cut off jeans, black jeans. Girl see me in a bus off screen, the high grade just a let off steam. Girl see me like you're a pull over. See she want for the soldier, whether the dark pool or the ice man or thunder. We don't know which one colder. She bring weed for the smoker. Every minute she a roll up. So she want get high and then go down low. So she never ride on roller coaster. It's so unique. How she clean, how she clean. Tell her wine and a let off screen. The high grade just a let off steam. How me clean, how me clean, how me clean. Sing the if a boy running, we have rifle and Glock 17. White tees, cut off jeans, black jeans, fresh, just a spring. Say me clean like me go for rain. White tees, cut off jeans, black jeans. Y'all see me in the bus off screen, the high grade just a let off steam. Y'all a bubble up for the doll, a million, styling on the position. Say she want sweat on when she get wet, tears don't stop like me never. Change gear in a minivan, quick, squeeze clutch, leg shift. Eyelash from the lipstick on her mouth, pretty lipstick. It's so unique, how she clean, how she clean. Yellow wine and a let off screen, the high grade just a let off steam. How me clean, how me clean, how me clean. Sing the if a boy running, we have rifle and Glock 17. White tees, cut off jeans, black jeans, fresh, just a spring. Say me clean like me go for rain. White tees, cut off jeans, black jeans. Y'all see me in a bus off screen, the high grade just a let off steam. Y'all see me like you're a pull over. See she want for the soldier, whether the North Pole or the ice man or thunder. We don't know which one colder. Yeah, she bring weed for the smoker. Every minute she a roll up. So she want get high and then go down low. So she never ride on roller coaster. It's so unique, how she clean, how she clean. You don't find me, I come from this past I'm on phones from Monday morning and I can't get close. We really need to find a better way. Me not like how some people stay. Turn off like them lose them way. I know them lose them praise. Show them gears. Yeah. Life sweet like wedding cake. Work out like heavy weight. Work hard like every day until I get the pay. Yeah. I know that's how we are come from. Days pass so we not nothing for munch pan. Monday morning in a khaki suit, still a step militant with nothing in a lunch pan. I know far where I come from. Me never want another gunman, so me hustle every day till the sun down. Work hard, good best, better must come, better must come. Think we really need to find a better way. Sometimes just lose them brains, chew them gains. Yeah, life sweet like wedding cake. Work out like heavyweight.
So guys, this is the finished look. I tried. I think I did an okay job. But if you don't want to get this hair on yourself, try to install it on yourself, try to style it on yourself. The link will be in my description. All me use to get back the curls then popping like this is mousse. Like, me never have to put no gel in there or spray it with no water or anything. Like, I think it looks perfectly fine like this with just the mousse. So, let me know how I feel about this hair. I think I really like the color. I feel like the color look really good on me. I'm not sure what I think. I don't know if I forgot to mention at the start of the video that this hair is from Hairspells. So if me never mentioned it before, it's from Hairspells company. Thank you so much for sending me this unit. I am obsessed with this color. Plus the curls, them just really cute. And if you wanna like it, you can just click the link in my description and get some hair from Hairspells. The hair feel really soft. Like usually when time you have hair, you know say sometimes you have to comb it out and thing feet look soft and thing. But like all me have to do, I just rub some mousse in this and it's good. Like me never have to use a Denman brush. Me never have to finger comb it. Me just rub, literally put the mousse on top of the hair and rub it down and that's it. Me never have to do no extra work. And you know, the less work, the better, and the more me I go promote the ear. So on a serious, I need to take out this ear for myself. Like it feels so light. Me not feel like nothing there on my head. So anyways, that's it for the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And comment down below if you like this hair, if you like the color or not. Don't forget to subscribe if you aren't already subscribed. Don't forget to turn on your post notifications so that you get a notification every time I post a brand new video. And I will see you guys in the next upload. Bye!